Group on that side, right side, stream left side. Just 2 instructions for you all. I guarantee you a lot of fun, lot of learnings over here. I need only 2 things from you. Just 2 things. One is punctuality. Be on time because we have just 4 hours with us. Not more than that. Because if you lose on time, you lose time for swimming, rain dance and DJ activity. So please be on time. If I'm calling you over here at 10:30, be here at 10:30. Don't be late. First thing. Second thing, I need discipline from you. Of course, I know that you are here to have fun, to enjoy the trip. But then also maintain some decorum, maintain some discipline. Because unless and until you maintain discipline, you'll not be able to play the games. Because see, these activities we do it for corporate people. These are called as leadership activity games for corporate people. These people are for Strawberry Outbound. They conduct camps for corporate people. So these all are games which have number of things which are required in the corporate life. So of course I know that you are here to have fun, but then also maintain some discipline, maintain some decorum over there, so that all the activities are conducted in a smooth manner. All right? All right? Yes. I believe you all have taken the breakfast right now. All right? Yes. All right? Yes. Yeah. Okay. So the first activity is, as I said, ice-breaking session. In that, I'll give just 5 minutes to you all. I believe you all have your team name, war cry, everything is there? Yes. Okay. All set. Team name, leader name, or war cry. And team action also. You have everything? See, by team name, I mean the team ka name. War cry means something like hippie or something like that. Action means some action of the team. If you don't have, I'll give you time, 5 minutes. Just pay attention over here. All of you, pay attention, I'll give you time. Okay? You're supposed to have team name. You all are supposed to have team name, your war cry, then team action and slogan. 4 things. Okay? Now, I'll give you 10 minutes total to have all these 4 things, plus a 2 minutes completely humorous, non-brainer skit. It should not be a serious skit. If I found anything which is, you apply your mind, I'll disqualify your team. Okay? It should be a complete humorous and non-brainer activity for 2 minutes. So it is 9:45 in my watch. I'll give you 10 minutes after 5 minutes. So till 10 o'clock you're supposed to have team name, war cry, action and slogan plus the skit. Okay? This is the first activity. Now, as the activities are planned, I'll call how the manner of conducting the activities is. I'll call all the leaders, 8 leaders. I'll give the briefing only to the leaders for each and every activity, not to this whole group. Then leaders are supposed to go to the team and explain the rules, regulation and about the game to the team members. Now, per game we have only 35 minutes, 35 to 40 minutes. And this time also includes briefing to the leader. Suppose I call all the leaders, 8 leaders, I'll give the briefing, I'll start the time. Then you go explain the rules to the team members and start the game as you want. Time will start as soon as leader leaves from my place. Clear? This will not be repeated. Time starts when the leader leaves my place. I'll say your time starts now. Go, explain your team members, everything, and start the game. Come at the point, start the game. This is the manner. First thing. Second thing is, the game will end as soon as you hear a voice of whistle. I'll have a whistle over here. I'll blow the whistle at the end time. So whenever you hear the whistle, stop the activity. Okay? Be punctual. Don't cheat because we all are there. We have some prizes for you. We have best leader prize. We have best group prize. Trophies and some prizes are there. So all professors are watching you from starting, from morning 6 o'clock I think. So we have number of prizes for you. So depends on you have to fetch prizes or not. So I'll call leaders only. As of now, this activity is like per group will come, they will perform the skit, they'll go back. Okay? Clear? Any doubt? No sir, I'm just second year student. Like you only. So, it's 9:45 right now. Till 10 you have time. Form everything and be as you are right now. I'll call one by one member, one by one group over here. They'll perform the skit and they'll go back. And complete humorous, I'll disqualify the team. Please.